Hey guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to make this cool slime. I'm not gonna be showing you how I do how to because I can't make it. It's but how to make it is you need gum and salt. You put the gum in hot water, then you spread the gum out like this, and you put it on something, and then you put the salt in there, and you mix it around until it gets this kind of consistency. And that's how you make slime. I'm sorry I can't make it for you because I'm sorry. You need a little bit, like a tiny bit, like a tiny drop. You spread it out. You spread it out again. Then you put it on something again. Then you put a tiny bit, like 2 drops of glue. Then you mix.
God dang it!
You add some little bit of food color, whatever color. You can add sparkles, but I don't add sparkles. So yeah. How to make slime. Super cool. Sorry I couldn't make it for you, but it's really real. Oh, and you don't, if you want this consistency, then you have to make slime. Have to put glue. But if you don't have glue, then it won't pull really far. So if you don't have glue, it won't pull really far, but it like pulls So yeah, I'm just if you use glue, then it can pull really far. And you have to put it in something that doesn't release air. This doesn't release air. It's like, oh yeah, and the more you play with it, the better it doesn't get sticky. I'm trying to get the rest out of here, so when I'm done playing with it, then I don't have to. And this one's paper, because it was in at least it was. So yeah, the more you play with it, the better instruction it gets. But people who do not have glue don't have to. You don't really have to have glue. People that don't have glue, the more you play with it, stretch your out it. So you start here. It goes farther, the more you play with it. So yeah. That's my slime. But my slime can go as far as it goes. So, it should really neat. I'll put that one to see, it's nice. Yes, you can. It's pokey.
Ow! Do you want pizza?
So it's really pokey. It's pokey. Kind of easy, perfect slime. There's 2 ways to make it: without glue and with glue. I told you, gum, water, hot water, and salt. Spread it out. Put the salt, mix it until it has this consistency. Then spread it out again, and put the glue, 2 drops of glue, and then mix it until it has this consistency, and it spreads more. It spreads more. So then, yeah, it's just turned into this. So, bye guys, hope you like this slime video. I like it a lot. Bye. Oh my god.